Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we are going to talk about the summary of treatment of obstetricosis. It's very simple. This table should be on your fingertips. This is the basis of obs coli. बाकी गाइडलाइन आपने जितनी हिम्मत अपनी पढ़ लें, लेकिन इस पे आपको you should know this, ठीक है? If you are an obstetrician, then you should know this. ठीक है. So basically the levels are mild, moderate and severe. Bile AC, this is from RCOG, not SOGP. Okay, SOGP will be separate video. So when the levels are between 19 to 39, when that is mild obs coli, remember that the background risk of stillbirth is similar is similar, like in this case there is no additional risk of stillbirth. So by 40 weeks you can wait, just like the other pregnancies which are low risk relatively. So that's why we say that the background risk of IUD is similar to the pregnancy without obs coli. So what you're going to do is that you're going to do weekly levels from 38 weeks. This is very important, so that you can see कि कहीं upgrade तो नहीं हो गया. अगर 39 से ऊपर चले गए तो फिर आपसे 400 लेवल करा देंगे, क्योंकि फिर वो माइल्ड नहीं रहा. तो इसलिए वीकली लेवल्स आपने लाजमी कराने हैं फ्रॉम 38 वीक्स. यू हैव फ्रॉम 19 to 39, deliver by 40 weeks, and weekly levels from 38 weeks onwards. And then in moderate it's basically from 40 to 99. So in this case you have to do delivery by 30 to 39 weeks, and you have to do weekly levels from 35 weeks onward. Very important. So weekly levels from 38 weeks onward, weekly levels from 35 weeks onwards, because the point when we are delivering, that's the point beyond which the stillbirth rate risk is increasing. So over here it was similar to background risk, so we waited till 40 weeks. But over here it increases from 30 to 39, so we are delivering at 30 to 39. Now severe obs coli is very, remember there is no figure of 37 in this whole table. 37 doesn't exist. At 35 to 36 you have to deliver severe obs coli. Why? Because and it's very severe, and the risk of IUD is increased. The risk of preterm birth is also increased, because we are delivering the preterm, so we are increasing the risk of preterm. In this case this is iatrogenic preterm delivery by us also, and also there is increased risk of preterm labor in this case, so you should know that. Or sometimes there is meconium and all other things, the CTG is not, so you have to deliver. So severe is very dangerous. Remember, in severe you have to deliver by 35 to 36 weeks. No weekly levels, because you're not going to wait in this case. Okay, प्लीज़ ये कान खोल के सुन लें बात. Risk of spontaneous and iatrogenic preterm birth in severe is increased by 30%. This line you should know. Iatrogenic, because this is, we are delivering preterm now, which in whole guidelines there are only a few conditions where you're supposed to deliver preterm, and severe obs coli is one of them. Otherwise RCOG is always allowing you to go till 39 or beyond 37, but this over here RCOG says do not go beyond 35 to 36. इधर RCOG भी डर जाता है कि भाई